Okay, so by this way we can dispense the diffusible solid, right? And it is very necessary to label the mixture with the instruction that is shake well before use, right? Because it contains a diffusible solid which does not the diffusible solid which does not the dissolve in liquid. This only distribute after shaking, right? That's why shaking is very important before administration the mixture containing diffusible solid, right? Then our third classification from the mixture, that is mixture containing diffusible indiffusible solid, mixture containing indiffusible solid, right? The substance which do not dissolve in water also do not distribute in vehicle for a sufficient long time are called as indiffusible solid, right? Okay, means indiffusible solid are those solid which do not dissolve as well as do not distribute into the vehicle आफ्टर शेकिंग, राइट? मीन्स ऐसा सब्सटेंस जो ना वाटर में डिजोल्व हो और शेकिंग करने के बाद डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो, ठीक है? ना तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है ना तो डिजोल्व होता है वाटर में, ठीक है? तो ऐसी टाइप के जो सब्सटेंस है उसे हम लोग इनडिफ्यूजिबल सॉलिड बोलेंगे, आर कॉल्ड एज अ इनडिफ्यूजिबल सॉलिड, राइट? इफ वी नीड टू dispense this kind of solids, that is insoluble kind of solid, right? That time we have to need to add a suspending agent, right? Suspending agent are those agent which can help to distribute the solids into a vehicle, right? Also used for the preparation of suspension, right? So therefore dispensing this kind of substance in mixture form need to add a suspending agent, right? Ethyl salicylic acid, quinine salicylate, this is the example of indiffusible solid, right? Quinine salicylate and acetyl salicylic acid, okay? These are the examples of indiffusible solid. If you whenever you need to dispense this kind of solid in the mixture form, that time we have to need a suspending agent, right? Suspending agent, right? I mean this is indiffusible solid are similar like a diffusible solid, but there is a quite difference, that is indiffusible solid do not distribute into a vehicle after shaking, right? That's why for the distribution of that kind of solid we have to add a suspending agent or we have to need to add a suspending agent, right? So commonly used suspending agent for mixture containing indiffusible solids, right? Commonly used suspending agent are commonly suspending agent are used in the indiffusible solid. Commonly used suspending agent of mixture containing indiffusible solid, right? So there is some example of suspending agent which are commonly used in preparation of indiffusible mixture containing indiffusible solid, okay? So there is a two kind of suspending agent, that is compound tragacanth powder and tragacanth mucilage. These two kind of suspending agent are generally used in the preparation of mixture containing indiffusible solid, right? So there is a first is compound tragacanth powder, right? It is the ratio or proportion of compound tragacanth powder, right? With this proportion we have to add the compound tragacanth powder, means 2 gram per 100 ml, right? If you need to prepare 100 ml mixture containing indiffusible solid, that time we have to add 2 gram of compound tragacanth, right? And tragacanth compound used when vehicle other than water or chloroform water, right? Means when our that compound tragacanth powder are used whenever our vehicle are non-water, or non-chloroform water, right? In case of vehicle like a water or chloroform water, that time compound Tragakant water does not use, right? And Tragakant mucilage, it is added in the proportion of 1/4 volume of mixture, right? Used when vehicle is water or chloroform water, right? When our vehicle is a water or chloroform water, that time Tragakant mucilage we should add it, right? मीन्स जब हमारा व्हीकल जो है वाटर या फिर क्लोरोफॉर्म वाटर हो तब जाके ट्रागाकंत म्यूसिलेज यूज़ करना है, और जब हमारा व्हीकल जो है वाटर और क्लोरोफॉर्म वाटर ना हो तब जाकर कंपाउंड ट्रागाकंत पाउडर यूज़ करना है, राइट, एज ए सस्पेंडिंग एजेंट, राइट. सो लेट्स go for method of dispensing, right? Method of dispensing means how to dispense the mixture containing indiffusible solid, right? That is, first is on the base by using the compound Tragakant powder, right? Compound Tragakant powder. So first of all, mix indiffusible solid with any soluble solid and compound Tragakant in a mortar, right? Means indiffusible solid and other any soluble solids and compound Tragakant powder we have to mix in mortar properly, right? It is a first step. Afterward, measure the 3/4 vehicle, right? 3/4 vehicle, and take a little portion and add into above, make smooth cream, right? Means we have to measure the 3/4 of volume, 3/4 vehicle, and from this 3/4 vehicle you have to take a little portion of vehicle and add into the above mixture. Above mixture means this mixture, right? And make smooth cream, right? And make a smooth cream, right? Make a smooth cream. After making smooth cream, we have to add a remaining portion of vehicle, that is measured vehicle. Okay, मीन्स दिस हम लोगों को पहले इसका मिक्सचर करना है इंडिफ्यूजिबल सॉलिड सब्सटेंस और ट्रागाकंत पाउडर का मोटर में, देन 3/4 वेहिकल मेज़र करना है, देन उसमें से कुछ पोर्शन लेके हमें एक क्रीम फॉर्म करना है, ठीक है? मतलब वो वेहिकल जो है इसे ये वाला मिक्सचर पे ऐड करना है तो हमें एक स्मूथ क्रीम मिलेगा, ठीक है? आफ्टर दैट इनटू दैट स्मूथ क्रीम वी हैव टू ऐड अ remaining portion of vehicle from the measured vehicle, right? We have to add a remaining portion of vehicle from the measured vehicle. Okay, after that, after adding the measured vehicle into the paste, we have to examine the mixture. If any particle visible, filter it by using muslin cloth, right? By using muslin cloth means we have to examine दी मिक्सचर, मीन्स हमें चेक करना है मिक्सचर को विजुअली, ठीक है? अगर उसमें कुछ पार्टिकल्स प्रेजेंस रहते हैं देन दैट टाइम we need to filter it, right, by using the muslin cloth, right? In our previous example we have used the cotton wool, right? But in case of for the soluble substance we have to use the cotton wool for the filtration purpose. And in this means liquid containing for the indiffusible solid, we need to use muslin cloth for the filtration, right? After filtration, add any liquid ingredient, right? If there is any presence of any other kind of liquids, that time after filtration we have to add it, right, as required quantity. Then transfer the mixture in a measuring cylinder. After adding liquid ingredient, that we need to transfer the mixture into a measuring cylinder. Then add more vehicle to produce the required volume. Finally, we need to adjust the required volume by adding the vehicles, right? After producing the required volume, we have to need to transfer that mixture into a bottle, cork it, then label it, and the label should contain one direction, that is the shake well before use. Shake well before use. This is the direction which is very necessary to label on the mixture containing diffusible solid as well as mixture containing indiffusible solid, right? So it is very important, right? Afterward, this procedure we have to follow during if we use the compound Tragakant as a suspending agent, right? And whenever our vehicle is non-water or non-chloroform water, that time we use the compound ट्रागाकांत पाउडर. ठीक है, तो कंपाउंड ट्रागाकांत पाउडर एज अ सस्पेंडिंग एजेंट कब यूज़ करना है? जब हमारा व्हीकल वाटर या फिर क्लोरोफॉर्म वाटर ना हो, तब जाके क्या करना है? कंपाउंड ट्रागाकांत पाउडर यूज़ करना है फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ इंडिफिजिबल सॉलिड मिक्सचर, राइट, for the mixture containing indivisible solid. But in case of our vehicle is water and chloroform water, that time we have to add a suspending agent, that is tragacanth mucilage, right? Tragacanth mucilage. So let's see. Mix indivisible solid and any soluble solid together in mortar. Means this is the apparatus in which we have to add a diffusible solid and soluble solids together, right? Means you have to mix the indivisible solid and soluble solids properly in order to get a proper mixture, right? Homogeneous mixture. After that, triturate above material with the tragacanth mucilage, right? After completion of this process, we have to add the tragacanth mucilage material into above material, right? That is, this is the proportion of using the tragacanth mucilage, that is 1/4 of the vehicle, right? Then to form a smooth cream, right? Means we have to we need to make a smooth cream by using the mixture of diffusible solid and solids and tragacanth compound, right? Sorry, tragacanth mucilage. Then gradually dilute with 1/2 half of vehicle, right? And gradually 1 by 1 we have to dilute it with the vehicle, on of vehicle, right? Then the product will measure about 3/4 of finished volume, right? And that product we will measure about the 3/4 of finished volume. ठीक है, मतलब यहाँ पे क्या करना है, ये जो क्रीम फॉर्म होने के बाद हमें ग्रेजुअली उसे क्या करना है, थोड़ा थोड़ा वेहिकल ऐड करके उसे डाइल्यूट करते रहना है, ठीक है? देन आफ्टर डाइल्यूशन द प्रोडक्ट विल मेजर अबाउट 3/4 ऑफ द फिनिश वॉल्यूम, ठीक है? फिर उसमें से जो वॉल्यूम है उसका 3/4 का जो है उसे मेजर करना है, ठीक है? देन आफ्टर दैट and go with the step 3 4 5 6 as shown in compound tragacanth powder. Means up to this, afterward we have to follow out the 3 4 5 6 steps from the compound tragacanth powder, that is this step, okay? That is examine the mixture, right? After completion of this procedure we have to go for 3, that is examine the mixture. If there is any presence of solid particles or foreign particles, then go for the filtration by using the muslin cloth, right? Then add any liquid ingredient if it is present, okay? In fifth step, that is make a required volume by adding the excess of vehicle, and in sixth process transfer the prepared mixture into the bottle, right? Then cork it, label it, and the label should contain the direction, that is shake well before use and dispense it, right? Means the label is very important for mixture, that is which are contain indivisible or diffusible solids, right? Because without shaking the solid, indivisible solids and diffusible solid does not distribute, right? That's why labeling of direction is very important, that is shake well before use, right? Okay, so this is about the mixture containing the indivisible solids, right? I think you understand the difference between diffusible and indivisible, right? Indivisible means does not dissolve in water, also does not distribute into water, right, after shaking. But diffusible solid are does not dissolve but distribute throughout the vehicle after shaking. This is the little difference between the indivisible solid and diffusible solid, right? Then our fourth, that is